Hi there, students. Runoff. Well, this word is a noun, but the meaning depends if it's countable or uncountable. A runoff is an extra vote in an election or a competition because there is no clear winner. And runoff, uncountable, is the water from rain or melting snow or liquid from a farming process that flows off the land, that's not absorbed into the land but flows off. So this river is the result of the runoff from the melting snow. Okay, so a runoff, or the runoffs for the election. Very often you have an election process where you have a first round, and if there's no clear winner after the first round, the person or the people with the fewest votes are eliminated, and then you have another round of voting or another round of competition, and finally there will be a clear winner. Or perhaps you have this runoff, and then you eliminate the person with the fewest points or the fewest votes and continue until you get a clear winner. So a runoff, it's an extra vote or an extra round of competition because there is no clear winner after the previous idea. So this is a runoff, or the runoffs. There is in the runoffs, the candidate with the fewest votes will be eliminated, or if there's no runoff, then the candidate with the most votes wins. It's part of a system of decision, or perhaps there's a competition, and after lots and lots and lots of competition, you've still got two people equal on first place. So you then have a runoff between them, some sort of other competition, or something else, or continued competition to see which one of them is going to be the winner. And then runoff, this is water that comes onto the land, and it then doesn't absorb into the land, but it flows into the rivers or places like that. So in many of our rivers we have a problem with nitrates, and these nitrates are caused by the runoff from farmers' fields. So the farmer puts nitrates on his field for his crops, but then it rains and some of that runs off into the river. And that's the idea. The water in this river is purple because of the runoff from certain rocks higher upstream. Okay, or industrial runoff. The people are drinking contaminated water due to industrial runoff in the water supply. Or perhaps you have a roof and you have a gutter to collect the runoff from the roof, the water that literally runs off. So notice this is a phrasal noun. Yeah. For me, normally one word. And a second election, when the first election has failed to produce a clear result, it's like a second round of an election, or a second round of competition to produce a tie-break, or to eliminate people till you have a clear winner. The runoff, a vote to select the winner of a competition or for political office, and then the surplus water, the surplus liquid that is not absorbed, water that drains or flows off, normally as rainwater, and other sediments or substances that are carried with it. So The runoff includes dissolved chemicals that are washed off the land, and then runoff, a second or further round of competition until you have a winner. A second or further round of an indecisive election until everyone but the winner has been eliminated. There was a runoff as neither of the candidates got more than 50% of the vote. So runoff, an extra vote, an extra contest to see who's going to win. Or runoff, uncountable, something that runs off. Rain, excess rain that's not absorbed by the ground. Runoff normally goes into the river, but that runoff can have all sorts of chemicals within it. Okay, formality, a runoff, the runoffs. 6 in formality, use anywhere. Runoff from the land, this is perhaps a tad more technical. 6.5 in formality, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. So, origin, well, we've got the phrasal verb to run off. Two candidates run off against each other, and the water, or the rain, runs off the roof. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Runoff.